Hey guys, my name is Thomas, and I know today I'm doing another sit-down video because of all the snow outside. It is so cold outside that vehicles really don't perform their best on the roads, even with really good winter tires. And I also don't perform very well, like my lips turning into ice blocks. So I'm inside again doing another video where I just chat with you guys about some cool concept. Okay, today we're doing the Navara Dark Sky concept. But just before I get into all that information, subscribe if you're new here, join the Tinkering Thomas clan. Comment down below if you have any cool ideas for what we should be called, I don't really know, and hit the notification bell if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos. Okay, let's get into all the information. So the Navara Dark Sky concept, I honestly think that is gonna be like the new Pro 4X version of the Frontier. They are gonna be redesigning the Frontier in the next couple years. I made another video talking about all the specs, but I didn't really have an idea of what it would look like. I just kind of could tell you, I didn't have anything to represent, but I think now I do with this new concept that Nissan has released. If you haven't seen my other video, basically the long story short is I can confirm without a doubt that 2021, late 2021 will be the year that the Nissan Frontier is redesigned. And all I said in the video was when it came to aesthetics, it was just gonna look like the Nissan Warrior Titan crossed with kind of a Frontier, and that would really be it. And if you look at a photo of the Nissan Frontier and you look at a photo of the Titan Warrior and then even the Navara, those three combined look exactly like this dark sky concept. So I don't think it's gonna look exactly like this concept because cars never do. Take the Murano for example. Nissan was saying we are going to make it look as close to the new Murano concept as we can, and they did a good job, but it just wasn't as close as I thought. And I think it'll be the same with this concept. Concepts never turn out to be as cool as they are when they show them off, but this is going to be pretty close to what it looks like, just a hunkered down version. The off-road package for the Nissan Frontier is called the Pro 4X. It used to be called the Nismo, which stands for Nissan Motorsport. And I think that this dark sky concept is going to closely represent the new Pro 4X version. Obviously the base model Frontier is supposed to be cheap and clean and not very aesthetically insane, but the Pro 4X, they always try and do a little thing here and a little thing there to make it look cooler and perform better off-road. And this dark sky concept is what I think it's going to look like. You just obviously won't be getting this cool trailer with a telescope in it. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Frontier and the Navara are basically interchangeable, or at least they used to be. The Frontier and the Navara used to be the exact same truck, and then in Europe they got a redesigned version, and theirs has always been called the Navara. And then here in America and Canada, we've just had the Frontier. And for the longest time now, everybody over here has been dying for a redesigned version, and they haven't said anything. There's been nothing released about this new truck that's coming out, but I think that what they're trying to do is they're trying to bring the Navara and the Frontier together again, so they're both basically the same vehicle like they used to be, instead of splitting the European and the American market. Now keep in mind this is all just an opinion video and this is not 100%. The concept will obviously be different when it actually comes out, if it's just going to be a special Navara concept, or if it is going to be the new Frontier, or if they're going to redesign the European Navara again and still leave us with the Frontier. I really hope not. I have been told that it will be redesigned in 2021, so my fingers are crossed for that. There isn't a lot to know about this Navara Dark Sky concept, but what I do know, it was designed by this guy with a mustache. It was inspired by astronomy, and it comes with a trailer that has the telescope in it. Anyway, now I want to hear from you guys on what you think of this Navara Dark Sky concept down in the comments below. I really hope it's as mechanically cool as it is aesthetically cool. I personally love the look of it and really hope that they go through and make this the new Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. Anyway, my name is Thomas, that's everything for me. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out, and ring that notification bell and hit the like button if you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, peace.
In collaboration with the European Space Agency, we found this beautiful parallel that worked for us in terms of concept.
Nissan brand is always trying to push the boundaries and trying to set the benchmark. We wanted to show the Nissan intelligent mobility vision, authentic off-road capability of Navara.
Nissan Navara Dark Sky concept is an exploration of the different colors that we can find in the sky during the night, from the very dark tones of blue to black, silvers, to the luminescent orange of the sunset.
We latched onto the idea of a mobile observatory, an authentic product that communicated our brand values, this go-anywhere spirit, this deep authenticity, intelligent mobility.
The Gaia mission's objective is to look at the movement of stars. The follow-up research that uses these Gaia positions needs to go to very remote locations on Earth to do the observations.
The objective of the mission was to bring the Nissan Navara dark sky concept to deepest, darkest Wales.
To bring a telescope to a dark place to do follow-up observations.
We've increased our understanding and the concept of Nissan Intelligent Mobility by adding extra sensors around the car.
We'll be going off-road soon.
Telescope will be fine. The jewel of this concept has got to be the trailer. Like a sci-fi space-age capsule. And then obviously it packages this incredible telescope.
When you're at a dark location and you see the live data come in from the telescope, that's very exciting and you know that the project has been a success.
This concept can advance our understanding and our wish for discovery.